Hi students, how are you? Ashley and Naomi, I see that you are the two faithful ones. Um, are you guys okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. Are you doing some work on Edico Ash? You have your access, right?
What's that?
You have your access to Edicosoft, right?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Are you doing some work on it now?
No.
Okay. I was asking for you to do some work. All right. I'm at home fully. I'll be doing another hopefully 5 minutes.
Oh, we should do the other assignments that's there.
Yeah, that's what I was asking. That's what I said the voice note to do some self-directed work on Edico in the meantime. I had said that I was
Oh,
going to get home at about
Yes,
8.
sir. That was what I said in the group. If you didn't see me text, and when we not see it, we said, could I go and do some work on Edico, sir?
Edicosoft, right? So just you can log on. I'm about 5 minutes away, but I mean there's lots of traffic on the road, so um I'll get there. So maybe you can send um to let the others know that I'm here now, so they can come back into the session. Yeah. All right. Thanks. right? So I don't think anybody is coming. I'll use tonight to, but let me you guys let me just move into some other stuff. How are the Educasoft going? Good evening to those of you who just joined. How Educasoft going?
It's not so bad, sir, but I want question more ask you. We are talking about it. Say, find the interest of 500 borrowed at 8% for 9 months. Oh, would I work out the 9? Sir, me can't get the answer because I don't know if work out I don't know the 9 months would have be 3/4 of the year, don't it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
So it's going to be 9 months, it's going to be 9/12. It's going to be 9/12. So it's calculated in years, but if you're given in months, you have to divide it by 12. So yes, 9/12 is going to be 3/4. Do I answer your question? You know me? Answer your question?
Sir,
Mm-hmm.
so forget the answer there, you put the 500. I want to divide the 8% by divide it into 100. I get 0.8.
You're
Don't you?
very low. You're very low. Hold on. Let me
Internet.
Despite being over the age of 30, they always have no doubt that they will be able to keep up with their counterparts.
Sir, you hear me now? Sir,
So Naomi, I'm here talking to you and I'm wondering why not answer me, and then I recognize that I'm muted. And I'm there asking the class if anyone else hearing me. So you couldn't hear me because I was muted. Are you hearing me now, Naomi? Is anyone else hearing me?
I'm hearing you, sir. Good night.
Good night, Tracy. What's up?
So
All right, go ahead. Hello, somebody? Talk to me. Naomi, are you hearing me?
the internet. Sir, the internet in and out. Sir, oh, yes, no. Where you say? When the 500, I may divide it by divide the 8%. The 8% we divide it by 100, so I get 0.08. So my multiply the 3 over the 4, like the 3/4, can divide the 9 by the 12.
All right. Can you read the question? Which question is that?
There's a question on Educasoft. It says find the interest of 500 borrowed at 8% for 9 months.
All right, hold on. So $500. What is supposed to calculate? The simple interest? Naomi?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
It's a find the interest on 500 borrowed at 8% for 9 months. ERT over 100. Okay.
You see this? You see because it's 9 months,
Yes, sir.
I have to divide by 12.
Okay.
So when I convert from months. Oh, come on, what is wrong? From months to years, we divide by 12.
Okay.
So what you're supposed to have now is going to be, you look at this, you'll recognize that these two zeros cancel with these two zeros. This goes 3 times, this goes 4 times, 4 into 7 goes 1, 4 into 8 goes 2 times, 2 times 3, 6. 6 times 5 is 30. So I'm going to get 30. It's a calculated interest, so it's supposed to be $30.
Yes.
That's the answer?
Yes, sir. That's the answer.
All right. Any other questions? I'll take your questions. Like when other students are not here, I'll use this opportunity to take your questions. Anything that you're not understanding, I can most definitely and gladly go through for you or with you. Tracy, Shariki, want to stay?
Sir, I don't really have no question now.
So like nothing really want to have no class either.
And that man, sir, me come on pan class if I never really want to come to class still. I know that's but
It's like you have a lot on your head though.
yes, sir. I want to get off everything.
Yeah. All right, never mind. All right. I will just take another couple of questions and maybe just run through 1 or 2 other stuff and then we just call it an evening. I was speaking to a student earlier today. Forgive me, I sound very nasal because I'm under the weather. So I was speaking to a student today and I was like, I'm not surprised if the students don't come to class today because of the internet challenges and people just trying to get themselves prepared for the hurricane. So don't worry about it. Totally understood. All right. Do you understand this though, Tracy? The simple interest that I just calculated?
Yes, sir.
I'm asking, do you understand the simple interest that I just calculated here?
Yeah, the truth is, no, I'm sitting in front of the laptop and I don't see all you're doing, but just no set up on the screen.
All right,
You can go back through it again for me, please.
Yeah, man, I'll go through it again. I'm sure you can stay.
Hmm?
I was asking, Richard, how she stay?
Oh, okay.
Shariki? She dropped asleep on me. All right, let's just go through this one. All right, so Naomi says, the question said, calculate the simple interest on $500 at 8% per annum for 9 months. When you're calculating simple interest is always calculated in years. However, they can calculate it in months. If they're going to calculate it in months, they're going to convert the months to years. How do we convert months to years? By doing what? Suppose I say I have 24 months. How many years is that?
2 years, sir.
How you
2
know?
years, sir.
How you know?
Because 12 months make 1 year, sir.
Right. So you say 24 divided by 12, you get 2. because 12 months makes 1 year. Right. So if it says that it's 9 months, and you know that your calculation is supposed to be in years, you have to use that fraction 9/12. That conversion is going to be in years. Because the truth is, anybody know what a certificate of deposit is? Tell me what a certificate of deposit is. Anybody?
What is, sir?
A certificate of deposit.
Certificate of deposit. We hear that before, but I don't remember.
Anybody else?
Sir,
Sir,
the deposit mean you pay down, right?
Mm-hmm.
Or you add to, you know.
you pay down a certain amount.
Mm-hmm.
But the certificate part now, sir.
All right. Anybody talk about the CD yet?
I'm not sure.
They're saying that they're going to open a CD.
Who?
No, sir, we never hear that one.
You're going to open a CD. Forgive me. I'm very hoarse, so I don't think I'm enunciating properly. But CD. C as in cat, D as in dog. CD. So a CD is really a certificate of deposit. What it is say you come up with some money. Say you throw a partner, and the partner runs $300,000. But that $300,000 is to pay for your bachelor's. You're not going to pay your school fee until October 1st. So you have the rest of July, you have August, September, October. So you have about 3 months. And you say, you know what? Let me earn some money on this $300,000. I can open a deposit or an investment account for 30 days. For 30 days. And invest that amount of money for 30 days. But let me ask you, I did say to you that your calculation is always done in years. So if I give you 9 months, you're going to divide it by 12. What if I say to you, I'm investing for 30 days? How would I convert those 30 days into a year?
So you would divide it by the 12 months? I don't know.
Is it 12 months you're talking about?
No, the year, sir, you say into a year.
Right. So talk to me now. How would I convert that to a year?
So you do multiply.
Mm-hmm. Think about it, man. Think about it. If my calculation is in months, how do I bring it to years? By talk to me now.
So you divide the 3 into the 1 year as I don't know. Put it in a fraction like we just said a while ago.
Work with me. If I'm converting months to years, what do I do? Look at the screen and tell me now. If I'm converting months to years, what do I do?
I got divide by 12, sir.
Okay.
No.
Yeah, man.
Sir,
So right
said
now.
that me long time.
No, but that's not my question to you. My question to you now. Suppose I have days and I want to convert it to years. What do I do?
The same divide it by the 365.
Very good.
Thank you for saying 365. You never said that before. You said 12. So if I have years, if I have months, I'm going to divide it by 12. If I have days, I'm going to divide it by 365. Because there are 365 days in a year. There are 12 months in a year. Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
Tracy, see that now?
Yes, sir.
Right. So what is going to happen now is the banks or the investment company can calculate my interest after 30 days. So when I'm going to lodge the money, they can say, okay, sir, the interest rate is this. Do you want it to be fixed or variable? And I say to them, no, I want a fixed rate, meaning that I'm going to get interest on the same amount every day. They can calculate and say to me, okay, Mr. Shan, at the end of the 30 days, this is the amount of money they have. So when I
So
have, go
they
ahead.
get a reducing balance.
It's not under reducing balance because I'm going to be adding that new principle now. Well, it's not going to be under reducing balance. But
Okay.
at the end of that month, I can tell you how much money I'm going to earn. So I may depend on the interest rate. For my $300,000, I may earn $250. Now, if I'm going to reinvest that money, I'll reinvest my principal along with my original, with my interest. So this time around, I'm going to invest $300,025 and $325, or whatever the interest is. So therefore, I'm going to put a higher principal down. So therefore, I would expect my interest. Well, at simple interest, your interest is going to be calculated constant. You're not going to be able to increase your principal. For compound interest now, you can increase it. So if I invest the $300,000 every 30 months, every 30 days, I'm going to get the same amount of money until the interest rate go up or down. So once it is that I fix it, I'm going to get the same amount of interest. So let us look back at this question now. This question says somebody invested $500 at 8% per annum for 9 months. We know that simple interest is equal to P times R times T over 100. Simple interest is equal to P times R times T over 100. P is a principal. R, principal in dollars. R is the rate in percent. And time is in years. Yes, they can give you in days, but you have to convert it in days. So convert in days to years, you're going to divide by 365. Sometimes they will give you in months. To convert from months to years, we're going to divide by 12. And we set up our equation, P times R times T over 100, and we should get our stuff. Follow me? Tracy, you see that, Mom?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. Mm. All right, I'm going to project some forgive me here. I have been struggling with this nickel for a couple of days now. All right, I'm going to give you some questions that you're going to be working for me. Quick and fast. Question number, oh dear. Can you work that for me, please, quick and fast? I'm going to put it in your notebooks. want you to work that question for me. But just do a few of those questions and then we can call it an evening. Quick and fast. Come, Tracy. Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up.
Sir, 54. Sir Sean,
Yes, Naomi?
54 is the answer.
What the rest of you got? Talk to me now, guys. Naomi, okay, since it's just you alone, yes. 54 is the answer. Congratulations, Naomi. I'm projecting another question now that I want you to do for me, please. Go ahead, please.
Okay. Calculate the simple answers. Simple.
Sir, is that answer 400, sir?
$400. Come in. Anybody get that answer?
Yes, sir. 400 is the answer. Sir Sean, it's 400. So the answer was it.
All right. Congratulations, Tracy. Naomi, 400 is correct.
Sir, that one you know. 900.
At 3% per annum for 2 years. Quick and fast again.
900.
Woo! Sir. Sir, the answer is 54.
All right. Anybody's got that?
Yes, sir, 54.
Very good. Congratulations. Yeah, love the sound of that. Yes, Enrique, 54. All right. So now I'm giving you the question, but with a slight difference. It says, in what time will $750 produce a simple interest of $150 at a rate of 6% per annum? So you know the rate is 6% per annum. What is 150 representing?
Sir, look fine.
All right, take a time and read through it for me. So come.
In what time will 750 produce a simple interest of 150 at a rate of 6%? Mm. Right, the question. I'm so sorry. Divided 50. I get the 5. And divide.
Anybody get the answer?
Sir, is it 5 years, sir?
5 year in what time? Okay, good. So you, but I don't know if 5 years is correct, but you see, it says in what time. So you know time is always in years. So you know that your answer is going to be in years. Right? So we don't know if 5 years is correct. I will tell you whether or not 5 years is right from in that. And no, 5 years is not the correct answer that I'm looking for. Just giving the others an opportunity to finish off. Anybody else get an answer right there?
Okay, sir.
Just look at it, Tracy. Look at it again. And I give the
Sir,
others a...
the map it out.
Say it again.
Sir, may I map it out? I map out the, I was trying to work it out.
All right. You remember I gave you a formula for time? Anybody
Yes.
remember? What's the formula I gave you for time? Time is equals to what is always in the numerator for calculating time?
Mm. Oh, the 12, the over 12 formula we give us, 12 months by the 1 year, no?
Come, let's go through this one.
All right.
I want all of it to look here.
Yes, sir.
And you have to be careful because it's not all the time they may ask you to calculate the simple interest. They can ask you to calculate time, principal, or the rate. All right. But remember, if they ask you to calculate time, time is going to be in years. If they ask you to calculate rate, it's going to be in percent. If they ask you to calculate principal or the simple interest, it's going to be in dollars. Always remember that. Let's go. So recall, let me know if you see my screen. Simple interest is equals to principal times rate times time over 100. All right? When I transpose, I'm going to get time to be equals to simple interest times 100 over rate times principal. So if I'm calculating time, my time is going to be the simple interest. What is the simple interest again? Look at the question and tell me what the simple
$150, sir. 150.
150. What says 150 times 100? What's the rate?
What's the what, sir?
Rate.
The rate is 6% per annum.
Good. And what's the principal?
750.
750.
All right. Do that calculation for me, please. And tell me what you get when you do that. What you get? We cannot do this, because when you put on the money for investment, when I know if you calculate on the money, one man in rabo, So now for understand we're not the right here, so.
Sir, we take time because we don't want no robins.
Yeah, right then. Good job.
Sir,
Yeah.
is it 3.33 years, sir?
And what is 3.33?
And
3 years and
years and 3 months.
no. 3 years and what month? How many months?
3. Sir. Sir, 10 for 3 years and 33 months. That sounds foolish.
Duh, it does. Come, tell me the correct something now.
All right.
3 years and 3 months, something like that.
No.
I'm not sure what to say.
Look on something, no, man, and talk to teacher.
All right. May I look again and talk to you, me
So
teacher?
3 years and something. That 0.333. Okay, so your answer is correct, Tracy, but I want you now to convert it for me in years and months. So we know it's 3 years and a couple months. Tell me the couple
okay.
months.
All right then. All right. Whoa. All right. Sorry, may I say something? Don't beat me. 5
All
years
right.
and 9 months.
You say how much?
Sir, that's not like me wrong. Now repeat it.
How many? I didn't hear how many years you said.
3 divided by 2. That's a 2, 5. Yeah. So, sir, may I have to take off some of the months them off of the 33 and put on for the next for the 3 years?
No, man, hold on. I didn't hear what you said. How many years you said a while ago?
Sir, you said no, so it wrong.
No, I didn't hear it. I didn't say no, you know. I just said what you said. I didn't hear
Sir,
you.
me said 5 years and some months.
Oh no, but remember say 3 point something, you know. So it can't be more than 5. So it have to be 3. So it's 3 years.
Okay.
Shariki, come unmute and tell me what 3.33 in years and months will it mean.
I will see if I can try again. I said 3 years and 3 months.
It's not 3 years and 3 months, but it's 3 years and something.
3 years and some. I can't say 3 trees and 9, right? I can't do that like this. So I remember get the bird sparks them a chance then.
I answered it. So me last more say.
So, sir, that means if we not put the 3 months, 3 years, how much months we get one X?
You'll get a tick for the 3 years, but I want it in months. I want to convert it in months. Think about it. It's thinking or not thinking or not. The 3 years is correct. I want to hear the correct number of months.
Sir, 40 months, sir.
Say it again. 40 months? What is 40 months, please?
Sir, the 0.3 if you divide by the 12. Remember 12 months make one.
Or try multiply it until you get, since you're the closest.
Sir, no.
Sir, 3 years and 4 months?
Duh.
You said no or duh?
I said duh.
Oh. Nice, sir. You make you look bad though.
No, man, it's just that you're not thinking, that's why.
Sir, you lend me a brain, sir.
Yeah.
You have a good brain, you know.
Yes,
No.
I'm best
We're
divide. Sir,
stress-free. You have a
divided by
good
3
stress-free
months.
brain,
I get
sir.
4.
Right. But, yeah, man, that's exactly what we do. But you don't have to worry about You don't have to worry about the we call it now. Don't get too worried about the the decimals. You see what I said? Naomi was the closest just now. You hear what I said to Naomi? Just multiply the decimal piece, the 0.333333 by 12. Because remember, once it reach fraction, once it's a fraction stuff. Sorry. Oh God. Once it's a fraction stuff, it's going to be in months because it don't reach a full year. So in order to get the fraction stuff now into months, you just multiply that by 12. So when you multiply the 0.33333333 by 12, you must get 4. It'll work out to be 4 because what that is, that actually works out to be, yes, it's going to be 3.333 years, or you can say 3 1/3 years, or you can say 3 years. And 4 months. Fair enough?
Yes, sir.
All right.
All right, sir.
All right. So remember, we're here to learn, So what I want you to do is to just take a time. Just take a time and just appreciate it. All right. I have one more for you. Sorry, I have one more for you. Take a time. I'll try to work through that one for me.
Sir, big up the question now, me not see.
Mm, better now?
Yes, yes, sir, yes, sir.
Sir, 80 years?
You said how many years?
80.
Got you, my friend. You're right till you can't write no more. Big up your good self. Great. Come the rest of it. Try for that one for me as well, please.
Sir, I get the
Mhm.
8 years old and sit down here chat.
Yeah, man. Say it's supposed to be 80 years. Naomi, how you stay?
Yes, sir, may I go on?
All right, go on. Herp and tell me. Shariki, let me know what it is that you have. All right. While you're doing that, for those two, Tracy and Dericia, who got the 80 years, I'm gonna give you a different version. So one of the first version we did was to calculate the simple interest. The second version was to calculate time. Now it is that I'm asking you to calculate what? What am I asking you to calculate? Look at the screen, man.
Calculate the percentage, sir.
The rate percent. So the question says calculate the rate percent on $1,000 invested for 8 years, producing a simple interest of $82. So you need to first ask yourself the question, what is the rate? What is the rate?
Rate of 1,000, sir.
No, what is the rate?
Calculate the rate percentage and
Right, you're trying to calculate the rate.
Oh,
What is the principal?
1,000
What's the interest?
interest, $82.
And what's the time?
The 8 years, sir.
Very good. Go ahead and calculate the rate percent for me, please. Let me see if you remember the formula for the rate percent. I give you.
God have mercy.
Yes, man. Same here. So 3 minutes.
All right.
Good job, though. Yeah, man. Cool. How we stay? We have 4 more minutes. How we stay? Any answer yet?
Sir, I'm still at work on it.
All right, no problem.
Sir, 1.025%.
That's it. Then we are different formula for that.
Okay, I hear you, Shariki. Anybody else get the answer? Naomi, you gone a bed and leaving Naomi.
No, sir, we don't gonna be.
Now look, I'm forget the formula for this one.
Shariki, you want to tell them the formula?
R equals super interest times 100 divided by T times T, the time and the times it.
That's the formula. Congratulations, Shariki. You got it right. 1.025%. That brings me to my final point for tonight. You're not going to get a formula sheet in the exam. You will be required to remember all the formulations that you're using. Every single one of them, you have to remember them. You're not going to get a formula sheet in the exam.
Sir, I think you love we.
Yeah, me do. But you're not going, them and them, I know me a CCCJ. So, me don't want to go a formula sheet, but it's just the exam. The examiners now will not issue a formula sheet here because it says there's no formula sheet for applied math. So if even me prepare one and give them are gonna look on the form and say, oh, there's something said no, we call it no formula sheet. So when I forgot put the things to long-term memory and start practicing more, which is why the ethical stuff again comes into play. You have to work, you have to work, you have to work. All right, let me work this one and then send you off. 9 o'clock. So it says the principal is going to be $1,000. The rate is what you're trying to find. Time is equal to 8 years. What am I missing? Okay. So the rate is going to be the simple interest. which is $82. Interest is equal to $82. So it's going to be $82 times 100 over the principal, which is $1,000, multiplied by time, and time is 8 years. When you put all of that in your calculator, you should come out with something like, if I cancel those two and these two, it will be 82 over 80. What is 82 divided by 80? It's going to be 1.025%. And that's my answer. It's not difficult to know. It's just that you need to know the different formulations. You have to know the different formulations. For rate, for time, for simple interest, for principal, whatever it is. I don't know what they will give in the exam, and I don't want to just give a simple interest alone, and then they end up getting something else I don't know what to do. So you have to study the different formulas. Any questions?
No,
All right.
sir.
No, sir.
I'm going to send you a few questions to do for me. Sir, Hurricane, come and really give you questions? Sorry, but I just saw this up instead. I just going to give you 2 questions. And you normally say you don't want the answers, so I will work those for you. But I'm just going to give you 2 questions that I want you to do for me. As we sort of just wrap up, or simple interest, and then we need to move into our compound interest. All right. Big up yourself. Thanks for coming out, a few of you, and have a good one. Please stay safe. Now go out a door, go walk and down because you don't know if the electric wire go into the water. I don't want to get electrocuted. Now go out a door, go look for see what go on because zinc sheet can fly off and cut off for the neck. Stay inside, stay safe. Make sure that forgive me. Make sure that if you're using a candle and the wind come, nobody make the curtain tail touch the candle and go burn down the little house and burn down the little book that you have and little sitting that you buy. Stay safe. I would prefer if you don't use candles on a whole. Lock up, because if there's power outage, you know, so the little thief and boy them, I go on for come rob and thief and kill and rape. Just be careful. I pray to God that this hurricane, I can deal with some rain, not a whole lot of rain for people to flood out. We can't deal with the whole drama of people roof a fly off. So I pray to God, say nobody not lose them roof. And I just pray to God that by the time it gets so in another couple of hours, it just get lazy. And say, no, I'm tired. I come from so far and do so much something tired. But all in all, just be safe. All right, guys, have a good one.
Same to you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Keep safe as well.
Yeah, man, cool.